Brownies with nipples. I mean, once you see it, you can't unsee it, right? Okay, so anyway, these are my favorite brownies to make when I am on my keto low carb diet. They are nut free, they are sugar free, and they're absolutely delicious. And I love to make them with this little caramel sauce. So in a large bowl, I'm just gonna melt 1 stick of butter and I'm gonna add in my melted chocolate. I'm using a brand called Lily's. They have a great no sugar added chocolate selection, and I'm using some milk chocolate. Now, once you've mixed together your butter and chocolate, it should be nice and velvety smooth. And what we're gonna do is add in 1 room temperature egg at a time and use a hand mixer to beat in between. I know this seems like a whole lot of steps, but trust me, the texture of these brownies will thank you for it. And the reason why we use room temperature eggs is because it will become way too dense too quickly before we bake our brownies. So once you've added in all of your eggs, you should get this nice thin little brownie mixture. We're gonna add in a little bit of vanilla, some of our powdered sweetener, a little bit of cocoa powder, some coconut flour, some salt, and some baking powder. Then we're gonna give this a final mix with our hand mixer, and it will be this beautiful, thick brownie batter. Now I'm gonna grab a square baking dish, line it with parchment paper, and then evenly spread out my brownie batter. At this point, you can add whatever toppings you want before you bake it in the oven, but that's it. That's how we make